Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Before starting this video, I will again like to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then hit the subscribe button until your screen breaks, because you can't find quality content anywhere which I give to you. In this video, I'm going to give you the free script of YouTube thumbnail downloader website. It is completely free script, but it is shortened by scipt to unlock and shrink earn. I will also tell you the way to open this link in this video only. Now, open Chrome. And then type here, blogger.com. Now, the website will look like this. Now, sign into this website and fill in the required information which Blogger wants. Now, let me show you how the website looks before. It looks like this. Now, I will show you how to open the link. First, copy the link from the description and paste it in the search box. After this, follow the steps. You have to unlock this by subscribing the 3 channels like this. Now, click on Get Link. If you do not have to do this much stuff, then complete the like aim of 30 likes in this video, and then I will give the direct link to download the script. Now, click on the green button to download the script. Now, go to Themes, and switch to first generation classic Blogger. Go to Legacy Blogger. Now, revert to classic theme. Now select all by clicking Ctrl+A, and extract the downloaded script. Now, see the password carefully. You will get these 2 text documents. First of all, read the README text carefully. Now, open the script text and copy all the text by clicking Ctrl+A and paste it here. and then set the navigation bar to off. Now, click on Save Theme. Before, this website was looking like this, but after saving the changes, now, the website has changed its look, and it looks awesome. Now, I will show you the proof that this website works. You can also place the ad codes here. As you can see, that it generates thumbnails. You can also download this thumbnail by right-clicking and clicking Save As option. As you can see, that it is fully HD thumbnail, and you can also get AdSense approval on it. That is all for today, guys. Hope you liked this video. Do not forget to like and share this video to all your friends. Till the next video, bye bye.